My pride don't cause me to hide my true feelings. Guess I can only be real. Hey, guess I
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and in this video we're going to get into this gorgeous wig that I'm currently rocking. So today we are featuring Hairvivi. Big shout out to Hairvivi for sponsoring another video. So this is their face framing highlights money piece brown wig. Her name is Mavi. She is absolutely gorgeous. So one of the things that I love the absolute most about Hairvivi is the fact that this hair is customized for you. So when you receive your wig, you can literally just install her and go. The knots are bleached, the hairline is tweezed, there's an elastic band, an adjustable strap inside. So as far as the construction of this wig, this has a super deep parting space. I love that. So you have a part that goes all the way to the back. It's about 6 inches. Honestly, if you use a tape measure, it almost goes back to about 7, but it gives you a super deep part, which helps with a more realistic scalp-like look. Also, these money pieces in the front absolutely hit. This color is gorgeous. I like the color combination. There's just enough contrast between the lighter color in the front of the wig as well as the back. When it comes to the texture of this hair is definitely top tier. I've stated that in just about every video in which I've worked with Hairvivi, and that's because it is, you can automatically tell by the way it holds a curl. Not to mention this hair is already curled when you receive it, but once you watch the video and you watch me curl the hair, you see just the way the hair holds a curl, like flawless. It's almost similar to raw hair. If you've ever worked with raw hair, if you've ever had raw hair, you know that it just holds a curl like no other, and those curls can last for a week. You can curl your hair today and not have to touch it again for another week. That's how good it holds curls. So as far as the fit, you can choose different size caps. You can get a small or a medium cap size, so you can just about customize this wig to your desired look exactly how you want it. So all the links will be down in the description box if you are interested in purchasing. I have a discount code which will be in the comment section, so definitely check that if you are interested in purchasing this unit as well as any other unit on the website. So if you want to see how I style this and how it came out, just stay tuned for the rest of the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Baby boy,